Have you ever heard of Temu? Ha ha, just kidding. I mean, who hasn't these days? Honestly, it's become my favorite app.
While most people are scrolling through Instagram or TikTok, I've been spending my time on Temu. And here's why. Temu can actually make you money, real cash, not just likes or views. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make money with Temu's affiliate program using just your phone. It's super simple, and if you've ever wanted to make passive income online, now's your chance. Step 1. Sign up for the affiliate program. To get started, scroll to the bottom of the Temu homepage and look for the link that says Affiliate and Influencer Earn Commission. Click that and create your free account. Once you're in, you'll see a dashboard that shows all your earnings and tools. It's super easy to navigate. Step 2. Earn commissions the simple way. Let's talk about the main way you'll make money. Primary commissions. Whenever someone clicks on your special Temu link and makes a purchase, you earn 5% to 20% of what they spend. That's free money just for sharing a link. Step 3. Get paid, even when people just download the app. Here's where it gets even better. Temu pays you just for getting someone to download the app. If someone installs Temu using your link and buys something within 30 days, you get an $8 to $10 bonus. That's money in your pocket, even if they only make a small purchase. It's one of the easiest ways I've ever made cash online. Step 4. Use bonuses and coupon bundles to boost your referrals. Temu also gives you tons of tools to help you attract people. For example, you can share coupon bundles where people get up to $100 in discounts. When they see that they're saving money and helping you earn, they're way more likely to click your link. Step 5. Share with just one. You don't need to be a marketing expert. Temu makes it super easy to share links. Just hit the share button, and they'll give you a ready-made text and image that you can post on Instagram stories, Facebook, Pinterest, or even email to friends. It's seriously one-click simple. Step 6. Earn even more by referring new affiliates. This part is amazing. Temu will also pay you when you refer new affiliates, aka people who also join the program like you did. For every person who signs up through your affiliate invite link, you can earn $17 to $20. And if they have more than 1,000 followers on any social platform, you get an extra $15 bonus. Plus, you earn 20% of whatever those affiliates make. It's like building your own mini team. Step 7. Get new affiliate perks. Instantly. As a new affiliate, you also get access to exclusive benefits, like a bonus of up to $100 just for connecting your social media account, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, etc. All you have to do is go to the Influencer tab and click Authorize. Step 8. Join brand campaigns, invite only. There's also an invite-only section called Brand Campaigns. If you're eligible, you can apply through the Join to Earn button and unlock even more rewards. Just read the simple requirements, and you could qualify for special promotions. Step 9. Promote hot-selling products in your niche. If you have a niche audience, like gamers, fitness lovers, or fashion fans, you can click on the Hot Items section. This shows trending products you can promote. Just pick an item, hit share, and Temu gives you ready-to-go content to post. This is great for people who already post about certain topics. Step 10. Check commissions based on your location. One thing to note, commissions might vary a little depending on your country, but overall, the difference is small. Temu operates in over 80 countries, and they're growing fast, so they're paying out generously to get more users and affiliates on board. Honestly, I've been waiting for a platform like this. It's easy, it's free, and it doesn't take much time. You're literally earning money while helping people shop and save. If you've been looking for a way to make passive income without complicated steps, this is it. Click the link below, sign up, and start today. You've got nothing to lose and a lot of money to gain.